There was once a young man searching for guidance, someone who could help him become better, wiser, and more successful. So he went to a wise elder, known for helping people transform their lives. The elder listened, nodded, and gave him a simple but unusual task. The elder told, "For the next week, observe yourself. Every action, every reaction. Write down everything you do that feels good, bad, or just neutral." So, the young man did exactly that. For 7 days straight, he paid close attention to his behavior, his habits, his mistakes, his little victories. At the end of the week, he came back with a long list: the good, the bad, and everything in between. The elder glanced at it and then handed him another assignment and said, "Now, spend the next week observing other people. Again, write down everything you see that feels good, bad, or indifferent." So the young man went out and watched. Friends, strangers, co-workers, anyone. And after a week, he returned with his second list. The elder placed the two lists side by side. And then he revealed the lesson that would shift the young man's entire perspective. He told, "Notice something? The things that bothered you most in others are the same things you noticed in yourself." It was a moment of truth. The young man suddenly realized the traits we criticize in others often mirror the traits we struggle with ourselves. And that realization became the beginning of his self-aware journey. This story is a reminder that real growth starts with reflection. When we pause, observe ourselves honestly, and understand our own flaws, we become more grounded, more effective, and ultimately more successful. So, take a moment today. Look inward. You might be surprised by what you discovered.